Do you ever find that static causes your ribbon tails to stick to your balloons? So it doesn't matter how prettily you curl them, they end up just clinging to your helium balloons. I've got a great tip to show you how to sort that out. Hi balloon artists, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks and I'm a full-time balloon artist here in Derbyshire in the East Midlands. I've got a glass of water here and I'm just going to dampen my fingers and then just get hold of that ribbon and I'm just going to run my fingers along the ribbon. And that little bit of moisture on the ribbon just reduces the static and stops that ribbon tail clinging to the helium balloon. I really hope you found this video helpful. Remember to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I publish new videos every Tuesday, twisting tutorials, how-to videos and balloon tips. So make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. You're very welcome to join me in Balloon Artworks Academy. That's my closed Facebook group for balloon artists. And you can ask me any questions you have on this or any of my other videos in the Academy. So head over to my Facebook page, Balloon Artworks, and send me a message asking to join Balloon Artworks Academy, and I'll see you there.